How to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right now, there's no Copilot option in here again. That is because Copilot is still a new release or function on Microsoft, and it is still on development process and only selected developers can access it. But you can ask for access in it on his website right here. So in here you can see that Microsoft 365 Copilot is actually like a chat GPT on your computer or on your Microsoft account. So you can install it using this link right here, and now once you have installed it, then you can head over to your PowerPoint, and then in here you can see the Copilot. So actually you can type in anything that you want. You can put in like I wrote this side and added images. Remember to check for accuracy. So just type in everything that you want to add right here, and then this will generate your PowerPoint for you just like this. So it can be a forest and it will be a forest. So you can type in desert and this slide right here will be a desert. It depends on what you want to put in it, and it will automatically design it for you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.